Hi guys, so today we're going to be looking at research methods. We have 11 of them and they are self-completion or poster questionnaires, structured interviews, surveys, visual resources, official statistics, interviews, observations, longitudinal studies, personal documents, case studies, and triangulation. So I'm going to just do a surface description of each of them, but you'll have to do a more in-depth look at them to find out their advantages, their disadvantages, their strengths, their limitations, which they usually ask for in IGCSEs. So firstly, we have self-completion or poster questionnaires, and these are preset questions given to respondents to answer. They're usually close-ended, and close-ended means you either answer yes or no. So they ask you questions like, have you done this before? Then you're like yes, or you're like no. So yeah, that's the first one. Then next we have structured interviews. These are face-to-face like conversations with the respondents or interviewees in this case. As a researcher, you're going to speak to your interviewee face to face, get to know about them, ask them a set of preset questions, and they're going to also be closed questions because this is a structured interview. If you're doing an unstructured interview, there'll be open-ended questions where the interview is able to elaborate more and give more details and give more in-depth answers. So yeah, next we have surveys. Next, let's do visual resources, and these are analyzing content like images or pictures and just studying them, studying the behavior in that area. Next we have we already did interviews. Sorry, I did that twice. Next we have observations. So we have participant or non-participant observations. So in observations, we have non-participant is where the researcher is not part of the group that they are researching on, and then participant is when the researcher takes part, like the famous research gang leader for a day. That's one of the case studies in this part. The researcher is the gang leader for a day. That is participant observation. He's looking at how people behave, trying to understand how people behave and why they behave like that. Next we have longitudinal studies, and these are studies carried out over a long period of time to get a clear pattern in society. Next we have case studies. These are in-depth studies on a certain topic. And then lastly we have triangulation, where we use more than two methods, or we use like 3 methods to study society. Use several methods to study society. It can be expensive because obviously you're using all these methods and it's going to cost you more than using just one method. Yeah. Okay, bye guys. Thank you for listening. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions or any more information to add on. Okay, bye.